Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change background in CapCut, and I'm using CapCut for PC. So let me show you how. So first, you are just going to prepare the background you like, and I have this blue background. You can download the background from the Google or another apps. So just drag to the track for the background and select image or video or photo you like to remove the background. So I have one photo, just put on top the background, which is this is overlay. So tap on overlay and you can select cut out, select auto cut out or chroma key. So I want to select auto cut out, and the background has been removed, and you are just going to select the background and merge it. Select the um, aspect ratio to okay. So we're just going to merge it. Just for the scale. Yeah, this is how to change background in CapCut. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.